Once you're inside your server, head over to the AI Terminal tab. This is your live server terminal, but CtrlOps takes it a step further. You'll notice a button called AI Assistant. Click on it. The first time, it'll ask you to set up your AI key, and the best part is, you choose your own AI model. CtrlOps supports OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, and OpenAI-compatible providers. Just add your key, select your model, and you're ready. Let me show you a quick setup with a custom OpenAI-compatible provider. Just fill in your identifier name, your base URL, paste your API key, select your model, and hit Save Credential. That's it. Your AI is connected and ready to go. Now here's where the magic happens. You don't need to know any terminal commands, just ask in plain English. I simply typed, "Check memory and CPU," and the AI generates the exact commands behind the scenes. All you need to do is approve and run. Done. You get a clean, human-readable answer right there in the panel. And if you're confident and don't want to approve every time, just toggle on Auto Run, and it handles everything automatically. No switching between tools, no Googling commands, no guesswork. Just ask, approve, and get results. All within CtrlOps.